It's a thing of beauty, a sight to behold. Sparkle like glitter, shines brighter than gold. It's a thing of beauty, and it never gets old. Welcome to moon, a sight to behold. It's a thing of beauty. It's a thing of beauty, shines brighter than gold. It's a thing of beauty. It's a thing of beauty. It's a thing of beauty. It's a thing of beauty.
Sobrang happy kami na ito na yung day. Finally, rain or shine, itutuloy natin to. Kasi ito yung pinaka-dream mong debut day. Excited kami para sa'yo. Sana mag-enjoy ka lang. And always be thankful sa kung anong meron tayo. And lagi lang magtitiwala kay God. Para we are always blessed. I love you, Nak. Happy, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tata! We love you! Enjoy ka lang, ha? Happy birthday muna, siyempre. Gusto ko sana mangyari sa'yo, lahat ng pangarap mo ay maabot mo. Hindi pwedeng 18 na, ikaw na boss ng sarili mo. No, 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 no. Si Daddy pa rin ang boss. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana matapos mo ang pag-aaral, maging maligaya ka sa araw-araw ng binibigay ng buhay sa atin ng Diyos. Magpasalamat. Ikaw ay isang biyaya sa amin ng Diyos. Ikaw, Chanel Isra Canlapan, Bautista Canlapan. Mula nang dumating ka sa amin ng mami mo, sa akin, lalo na sa akin, nabago yung buhay ko. Sorry, Nak, kung mahigpit si Daddy lagi sa inyo, lalo sa'yo. You know why? Iniingatan kita. Happy birthday, Nak! We love you! Titit!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to our dear Chanel, our petita. So you're 18 now, you're in your adult stage, pero syempre you're forever our baby. Ang wish ko sa'yo, sana maging kaparis mo. Maging kaparis mo ako. And gusto ko mag-aral ka mabuti. Always give love and respect to yourself, and don't forget your family. Always think big dreams.
Ang tanging masasabi ko lang sa'yo ay yung magtapos ka ng pag-aaral. Unahin mo yung pag-aaral, okay? Maging devoted ka, anak. Gusto ko makatapos ka, makita kitang nasa ayos ka. Happy birthday! Love you!
Happy 18th birthday. And my only wish is mag-aral mabuti kasi yan lang ang pwedeng ipamana sa atin ng ating mga magulang, ang makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Pag nakagraduate ka na, dun mo to pa rin lahat ng pangarap mo. Again, happy birthday. We love you.
I'd like to greet my debutant apo, my most beautiful apo, sabi nila. Si Chanel Isra Hanapan. Now she's 18. And she's growing so really, I can't say no more, but beautiful. Beautiful. Everybody admires her. And so, I just hope God will bless her more.